Hi guys, Ray from EPM. Today we have a pony from New South Wales who drove all the way to come here and have its tail lights and headlights upgraded. And this is our first batch of the production version of Triple M or Triple Red kit from EPM, and I think this is the first New South Wales Mustang that ever have to receive this upgrade. And obviously we've got the not normal, but dial dynamics white and amber. It's running sequential. So right now this is running obviously sequential tail light, and then it's running sequential plus this new brake mode, which I call it e-zing brake or retro mode. So what it does is the middle bar comes up first, and the two other bars will follow. So it has a little bit of animation when you brake. So can we switch off the hazard, please? Switch off hazard, and then brake. Release brake. Brake. Release brake. Brake. Yeah, you can see that. You can see the middle bar comes up, then the outer bars follows. So let go. Brake. Indicator to the right, and then you can see this is basically braking, and then the sequential, the indicator is running on top of it. I think it's pretty clean. You can pretty much tell this guy's braking and indicating at the same time. This is a sequential mode. If we have this in cursor mode, then it's actually more obvious, because the red, there's only one, at any time there's only one amber in any of these bars. So for the sequential mode, the amber goes from 1 to 2 and to 3. But for the cursor mode, you have 1 and 1 and 1. So you always have 1. It's pretty nice. So let go brake. So it's indicating brake. Stop indicating. Release brake. Turn on running light. Fantastic. All right, brake. Release brake. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please also subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.